Hello guys, today in this video you're going to see how I created an applique project with my Janome JW8100 fully featured computerized sewing machine. I really enjoy using this sewing machine for my sewing projects because it's very easy to use, it's user-friendly, and at the same time it creates very beautiful stitches. Watch and see how I finish my cat applique project with this Janome 8100 sewing machine. Hello guys! Here in this video you're going to see how I created a very quick project creating a throw pillow with my Janome 8100 computerized sewing machine. This sewing machine is full in features and it's very easy to use. So you can see here in this video I created a memorial pillow for my cat that I've lost before. So I'm creating this pillow in memory of my pet cat. Watch and see how I finished the throw pillow and how it's very easy to use the Janome JW8100 sewing machine.